Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're here on the boardwalk and we're here for the air show. Usually the air show happens in August. I don't know, this year it happened in the end of May. So here we are. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We'll show you some good air show moments and hopefully you'll enjoy them, from the F-35 to all the way to War of Thunder and a lot of cool stuff I think that's coming up. So let's enjoy it.
Showcasing to us what they do professionally each and every day. The brave men and women of our United comes on from our left. 450 horsepower, that radial engine at full tilt as Mike and Sam Trinkerson from Canada take our stage today. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look. There's 180 miles an hour. The road's about to go upside down. Waiting on their stage. Down the Grumman and Kent, originally a crop duster, today transformed for air show excellence. That air show smoke billowing out of the exhaust there as they go all the way around. Sam says she has, without a doubt, the best seat in the house.
Check this out, guys. There's a person standing on the plane. Of course, with safety and everything, but it's very interesting. Never seen something like this before.
Was held right here in Atlantic City back in 1910. And for thousands
Check that out. Check that out. Check this out, people. What a smoke. Well, not just the smoke, but of course the aircraft itself.
David Hammond and the de Havilland Super Chipmunk. An experienced aviator and aerobatic performer, Nathan has amassed more than 9,000 total hours of flight time in more than 50 different kinds of airplanes. Today he serves as one of the world's last remaining professionals. Nathan's motto is go see the world, especially growing up in an aviation family with experience flying airplanes ranging from World War I biplanes to corporate business. Even type of flying is what we're seeing now. Let's watch out in front of us as Nathan continues and pours the Ghost Rider. Precision formation, aerobatic flying, and the team will be real in the hours they have been cleared inbound. Ladies and gentlemen, working your way into the aerobatic box, now in a very big New Jersey Shore welcome to Chris C. Thomas and Mike Goodyear, our favorite Bird Thunder.
And here they come.
Separation between these nearly three-time World War II trainers. To the left, the smoke continues to stay on as they set up for their next maneuver. One is port loop and one is hard roll. It's called a barrel roll. And a maneuver for smoke. Usually the track or usually a light attack or retired from military service in 1895 on the South.
And that's the end of War of Thunder.
The Big 17. Inbound on the right. Watches Bill Covers who rolls to the inside upside down. North course, you will see that afterburner has left the Big 17. First maneuver from high and overhead, presenting the U.S. Marine Corps Inbound now from the right, Major Horn and the F-35B minimum radius turn. Targets at long ranges without ejection. Watch it vertical here.
been hovering like a helicopter.
To the last stage of his show. I'm about to show you something that was deemed impossible not too long ago. That brand new paint scan, we've got to thank the whole team of Paul Bennett Air shows. They worked all week just to get this plane up in the air for you at Atlantic City. Okay, this is for you kids. We're going to call him Humpty Buck. Straight back towards the crowd here on the beaches of Atlantic City. All goes round half cuban and set up for what we call the...
Personnel, we could not do it safely without their support. Thanks to our volunteers, our partners, our performers as well, who have dedicated their time and efforts in making it possible. My name is Luke Jericho. I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana. It has been a great pleasure to bring you the air show action outside of Atlantic City for the 2026 Soar and Shore Air Show. I hope you have safe travels home, a great rest rest of your afternoon. And until next time, wishing you a very pleasant day and blue skies always. So long, everybody.
Well, guys, that'll be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. We had a great time, great moments, great moves, and the hover of the F-35, I think it is, was also very nice. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Comment below how you like it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Everyone have an amazing day.